we can minute clock movement. Okay. Okay, now I want to set this alarm to 1 p.m. and see is it accurate or not. Is it 1 p.m. then it start ringing? Okay, now I set this to 1 p.m. Oh, too fast. Not accurate. Okay. Try to adjust it to 3 p.m. and see. Then move this needle again. Now it's 2. Okay, slowly. Oh, come to 2:35. It's ringing. Okay, not accurate. Then what I'm going to do now is okay, to adjust the minute needle, I remove this battery first. Okay, remove one. This is the second needle, and the second one is minute needle. Just remove these two enough. Okay, now I set it to this 3. Okay, to 3. Then put it back to the minute needle to 12. Okay, press, you can hear the sound. Now is the second needle. Okay, put on the battery and try again. Okay, now I adjust the alarm to 6 p.m. Okay, adjust again. Okay, slowly. Now it come to 5 p.m. Slowly, a bit too fast. Okay, 5. Okay, 35, 45, 50, 55. Slowly. Tap. Okay, more or less. Okay, should be okay lah. Now I switch off it. Yeah, I can close back the cover. Yeah, this is the way we just remove these two needle will do. If you want to fix the alarm that's not accurate when the ringing time is wrong time. Okay, see you, bye bye.